Hello everyone, today I am facing a fun challenge, choosing the perfect surprise gift for my mother's 60th birthday. The three options are a Connect ticket, a warm party at her favorite restaurant, or a handmade cake. I strongly believe the best joy is the warm party at her favorite restaurant. I chose the party because this birthday is a major milestone and it deserves and random selection. First, it's very lasting memories. Bhakti is the ideal way to bring together on her loved ones, friends and family for a big routine. Seeing all the people she cares about will make her feel incredibly loved and honored. This sense of togetherness is the immediate gift. Second, is completely stress-free for her. By hosting the party at her favorite restaurant, she doesn't have to worry about cooking, cleaning, or preparing anything. She can just relax and enjoy her special day like a queen. The other option why nice for short. The music so take it to personal and like the family elements needed for a 60th birthday. The handmade cake is very sweet, but it's simply too small to be the main gift. It should be an addition to the main event, not the event itself. To sum up, a modern 60th birthday needs an experience, not just an object. The one party is the most complete, powerful, and memorable way to celebrate her life and show her all emotional. Thank you for listening.